Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 isn't picking up any dirt, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a clogged filter, a blocked hose, or a malfunctioning motor. If left unchecked, it can lead to reduced performance and even permanent damage to your vacuum. But don't worry, we can help you get it back in working order. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver set with Torx bits, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement filter if necessary. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully remove the dustbin by pressing the button and pulling it away from the main body. Next, locate the filter, which is situated at the back of the vacuum. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Inspect the filter for dirt and debris, and if it appears clogged, clean it under warm water until the water runs clear. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. Now, let's check the hose for blockages. Detach it from the main body by pressing the release button. Inspect the hose for any obstructions and use a soft cloth to wipe away any dirt. If you find a blockage, gently push it through with a stick or similar object. Reattach the hose securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's check the motor. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the Torx screws, taking care not to strip them. Gently lift the cover away, being cautious of any attached cables. Inspect the motor for any visible signs of damage or wear. If necessary, disconnect the cables and replace the motor with a new one, ensuring everything is connected as it should be. Once you've completed these steps, reattach the back cover and secure the screws. Finally, reinsert the filter and dustbin, ensuring everything clicks into place. Plug your Dyson V8 back in and test it to ensure it's now picking up dirt effectively. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make it a habit to clean the filter every month and check for blockages in the hose regularly. This will keep your Dyson V8 performing at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.